Hey guys, I am on the Rahway River, going through Cranford. If you look behind me, you see how pretty this is. Clear water, a lot of shade. It's a really nice paddle and kayak. A lot of beautiful homes as well, and parks as you go either upstream or downstream on this river. There's even a kayak or a canoe club in Cranford that you can rent a canoe or a kayak if you want. So I would highly recommend this, especially on a hot summer day because of all the shade you can get here. Anyway, have fun.